This is a 2012 Ford Expedition. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: 18-inch wheels, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Courtesy Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1410 West Pine Street in Hattiesburg.